Bwana Yesu asifiwe.
Amen.
When I heard of the death of our dear brother Jakoyo, I was shocked. And the first person that came to my mind was Brother Raila. I called him and I asked him, what is this we are getting? And I think you remember, Brother Raila, that you told me you couldn't even believe it. You even suspected foul play. And given the circumstances, that Jakoyo was not even asked him, did he have COVID? He told me no. It had been tested, there was no COVID. So as we bid farewell to Jakoyo, we have to remind of ourselves that we live in perilous times. And the best we can do to the family, Betty, Rose, the children, one of them is very young, is to present them before God. And God Almighty in His goodness and abundant mercy will protect this family.